Greetings. Today, I'm going to talk about peptides and bioregulators for age reversal. For some, aging is a natural process characterized by a gradual decline in physiological functions. For others, it is a chronic disease. Which one of these do you believe to be true? Either way, advancements in science have sparked interest in interventions that may slow or even reverse aspects of aging. Peptides and bioregulators have emerged as promising tools in this pursuit, offering potential benefits for cellular health, tissue repair, and overall vitality. This video explains how peptides and bioregulators may contribute to anti-aging efforts and key considerations for their use. If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc, founder of MyBodySymphony.com and ARTC.health. While he continues to research and explore new and better ways to help his patients achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals, I'm here to convey his knowledge and insights about health, healing, and regeneration. Doc Max believes in using technology constructively to help each other. That's why he is using this AI-generated avatar to educate and inform. Before we get into it, please leave a like on this video if you find it helpful. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button because it goes a long way toward helping spread these health-related presentations to more people. Understanding peptides and bioregulators. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that serve as signaling molecules in the body, influencing processes like hormone production, tissue repair, and immune function. Their small size allows them to penetrate cells easily, making them effective for targeted interventions. Bioregulators, often called peptide bioregulators, are naturally derived peptides extracted from animal tissues. They are designed to regulate specific organs or systems, promoting balance and optimal function. In anti-aging, bioregulators are studied for their ability to support cellular regeneration and restore more youthful physiological states to aging organs. How peptides and bioregulators may reverse aging. Peptides and bioregulators may help address aging by targeting key mechanisms associated with age-related decline. Enhancing cellular repair. Aging is linked to reduced cellular repair and regeneration. Peptides like BPC 157 and TB 500 may promote tissue healing and reduce inflammation, supporting the repair of damaged cells and tissues. Boosting hormone production. Growth hormone levels decline with age, affecting energy, muscle mass, and skin elasticity. Growth hormone-releasing peptides, GHRPs, like ipamorelin or CJC 1295, can stimulate natural growth hormone production, potentially improving vitality and physical function. Supporting telomere health. Telomeres, protective caps at the ends of chromosomes, shorten with age, impairing cell division. Some bioregulators, such as those targeting the pineal gland, for example epithalamin, may support cellular health and longevity by influencing telomere maintenance indirectly. Improving skin health, peptides like GHKQ are known for their role in collagen production and skin repair. By enhancing skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles, these peptides can contribute to a more youthful appearance. Enhancing mitochondrial function. Mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of cells, become less efficient with age. Certain peptides and bioregulators may improve mitochondrial function, boosting energy levels and reducing oxidative stress. Regulating organ function, bioregulators targeting specific organs, for example, liver, heart, or brain, may restore optimal function, counteracting age-related decline in these systems. Popular peptides and bioregulators for anti-aging. Several peptides and bioregulators are commonly associated with anti-aging benefits. GHKQ, a copper-binding peptide that promotes collagen synthesis, reduces inflammation, and supports skin regeneration, often used for cosmetic anti-aging. BPC 157, known for its regenerative properties, it may aid tissue repair and reduce systemic inflammation. TB 500 supports tissue healing and reduces inflammation, potentially improving overall recovery and vitality. Epithalamin, a bioregulator derived from the pineal gland, believed to regulate hormonal balance and support longevity. Thymosin alpha-1 enhances immune function, which weakens with age, helping to maintain overall health. Considerations for using peptides and bioregulators. While promising, the use of peptides and bioregulators for anti-aging requires careful consideration. Quality and sourcing. The market for peptides and bioregulators varies widely in quality. Choose products from reputable suppliers to ensure purity and efficacy. Professional guidance. Consult a healthcare provider or anti-aging specialist before starting any regimen. They can tailor recommendations to your health needs and monitor for side effects. Holistic approach. Peptides and bioregulators are not magic bullets. For optimal results, combine their use with a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep. Potential risks. Side effects like allergic reactions, hormonal imbalances, or injection site irritation may occur. Start with low doses and monitor your body's response. Regulatory status. Some peptides are not approved for anti-aging by regulatory bodies like the FDA and may be considered experimental. Check local regulations and ensure compliance. Ethical use. In some contexts, such as competitive sports, certain peptides may be banned. Verify the rules of any relevant organizations. Natural anti-aging strategies. For those hesitant to use peptides or bioregulators, natural approaches can also support healthy aging. Nutrition. Eat a diet rich in antioxidants, for example, berries, leafy greens, healthy fats, for example, avocados, nuts, and lean proteins to support cellular health. Exercise. Engage in regular strength training and aerobic exercise to maintain muscle mass, bone density, and cardiovascular health. Sleep. Prioritize 7-9 hours of quality sleep to support hormonal balance and cellular repair. Stress management practices like meditation, yoga, or mindfulness can reduce cortisol levels, which accelerate aging when elevated. Supplements. Consider evidence-based options like liposomal NAD+, coenzyme Q10, glutathione, etc., but only after making sure that you have a strong nutritional foundation. Request a copy of my Foundation Nutritional Support Recommendations by emailing info@rtc.health. Conclusion. Peptides and bioregulators hold significant potential for reversing aspects of aging by supporting cellular repair, hormone production, and organ function. While research is ongoing, these compounds may help improve vitality, skin health, and overall well-being. However, their use should be approached with caution, prioritizing high-quality sources, professional guidance, and a comprehensive lifestyle strategy. By combining peptides or bioregulators with natural anti-aging practices, individuals can take meaningful steps toward healthier, more youthful aging. As always, please reach out for information on our personalized health enhancement and age reversal programs, including bioidentical hormone replacement and peptides, 941-806-5511.